Welcome to qnawire.
Our goal is to figure out what the graph of this function looks like, but we're going to start with the graph of one of the standard functions. So let's start with the graph of y equals sine x. Okay, so it goes up to a height of 1, down to a height of -1. It has a period of 2 pi. We can draw a couple of the cycles here, and it looks like this. That's the basic sine graph. Now what do we want to do to it? Well, the pi in here, that represents a horizontal shrink. So it's going to be pi times narrower than it used to be. And the old period was 2 pi. If we divide that by pi, the new period is going to be 2. So it's going to be roughly 3 times narrower. So we'll graph y equals sine of pi x. I'm not going to make it using the exact same scale as I used on the last one. I'm going to change my scale because now that the period is 2, I'm just going to put a 2 out here and a -2 out there. Okay, so it still goes up to a height of 1 and down to a height of -1, but it's narrower now. Okay, finally we want to add 1 to it. And adding 1 to any graph will shift it up 1. So we want to take what we just drew and shift it up 1. So it was going up to a height of 1 and down to a height of -1. Now it's going up to a height of 2 and down to a height of 0. So we have our sine graph looking like this. Shifted up 1.